In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Claude project with best practices in less than 5 minutes. And this is one of my favorite ways I'm using AI right now. So be sure to stick around for the full video. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and the reality here is that AI is going to replace millions of marketers and content creators, but it doesn't have to be you. And if you want to stay ahead, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. This includes my favorite AI tools, prompts, templates, and more. You can get my free guide in the video description or pinned comment below. So if you've never used Claude Projects, this is a customized version of Claude AI that will improve efficiency and get way better outputs than just using the main screen of Claude. You can think of this as an alternative to a custom GPT, but superior in my opinion, because I personally like Claude Opus 4 and Claude Sonnet 4 as superior models to what ChatGPT has to offer. And in order to create projects, you must be on a premium version of Claude, whether that's Pro, Max, Teams, etc. And to be transparent, some of the use cases that I'm using Claude projects for include an AI automations assistant, a personal brand project, a local SEO project, a video script creator, an email newsletter generator, keyword research assistant, YouTube video optimizer, and I'm going to add more over time. But the name of the game here is to create one Claude project for a specific use case. So now let's create a Claude project. In this example, I'm on Claude Pro and I'm going to be creating a project to help me write email newsletters. As a marketer and content creator, this is a very important task and I want to create a dedicated project just for this. So from the main screen of Claude, on the left-hand side, you should see projects. Click that. Then you should see new project on top. Go ahead and click that. I'm going to name this email project demo. Name it whatever you want. For the description, I'm going to do create email newsletters in my writing style. Then I'm going to click create project. Now, I already have instructions ready to go, so I'm going to copy and paste this from my other document, and then I'm going to come back to my Claude project. The very first thing that you want to do under project knowledge is set project instructions. So I'm going to paste those in here and then click save instructions. If you have no idea where to get these instructions, I have several prompts inside my AI prompts database in my community. It only costs $1 to join, and you can find some prompts to help you here. I'll leave that in the video description below. But after my project instructions are complete, the next thing that I need to do is add project knowledge. So right here, I'm going to click this plus icon. What I like about Claude Projects is you can actually add text content. That's very useful. But what I'm going to do is actually upload from my device. So I already have a folder called custom AI files. I'm going to go ahead and add all of these different knowledge pieces here inside my Claude project. And what these are a few things: writing samples, previous email newsletter examples that perform very well. So basically, the more knowledge that's relevant that you can upload to a Claude project, the better the results you are that you're going to get. This makes sense. We want to train this with as many relevant examples as possible. And what's cool is Claude actually just increased this project capacity. That's extremely valuable, but that's it. If we go to projects, you can find your project right here, star it, archive it, organize it however you want, but you've successfully created a Claude project in less than 5 minutes. If you made it through this quick tutorial, I appreciate you. If you found value, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, also leave me a comment below. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.